What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel as it will help me out and help you guys out because I post videos almost every week or daily. So, today I have a cooking channel. Cooking video. We're gonna have some chicken breast, some eggs. Then we also have this. So, I'm going to clean the pan and show you guys what to do. Alright guys, now that we have the pan, we want to turn it on low. Turn the light so y'all can see. Ooh, there you go. Ooh, it's a little wet, that's fine. Then we're going to go in the fridge. Grab some butter. Then, what you want to do, grab a knife. You do any knife, I don't care. Just add a big piece. Then, fuck it, throw it on there, whatever. Then, what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab a plate. Gonna grab some ham. Hell yeah. Then, what you wanna do, get one off so you give it to the dogs. Doggo! Where's the other doggo? Give that one to that doggo. Doggo likes ham. Throw that one away. Then, so we're gonna grab one more piece. There we go. Then, so I can do this with one hand. Ooh. 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 Oh. 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 You wanna see some magic? Alright. Magic. Ooh, this is a little too high for my pleasure. See? Alright. Then throw. Ooh. Grab a spatula. Ooh. Cook the ham. Ooh, yeah, baby. We gon' cook the ham. Cook the ham and some butter. You can use oil if you want. I don't care. I just like butter. Butter makes everything delicious. Like that one's a little too big, so I'm just gonna cut it up. Then, yo, chill. Then, what you want to do, pause. So, in a bowl, you want 3 eggs. Check. Milk. Check. Seasonings. Check. Oh, you don't season your eggs? Okay. Yeah. Don't season the eggs then. Don't season the eggs then. And then you're gonna whisk. Oh, whisk it. Fuck. Whisk it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Whisk in action, baby. Ooh. Baby. Like that. Oh, you like that? Oh, yes. Fast. How fast can you beat your eggs? Let's go check on the ham. How do you want your ham? That is the question of the day. Do you like your ham crispy? I don't know. Good question though, huh? Hails, yeah. Making some ham. Making some ham. Making some ham. Making some ham. We need a jam while we're making some ham. Making some ham. We need a jam to make some ham. We need a jam to make some ham. Ooh, baby. Alright, now after you cook the ham to your liking, it is time to oh no, crash landing! Ooh, baby. Where else can you see that? Look at that. Ooh. How do you like your eggs? Look at that. Hell yeah. That looks gross. You know what? Tell him you look gross. Look at that. Then you just go until it's done. Would you eat this? Yeah. Okay, so I'll be right back with the final product. Alright guys, this is the final product. Add some ketchup. Ooh. And some cheese. You can add cheese if you want. You are able to add anything you want to this. Alright guys. Now, it's y'all favorite part guys. The taste test. Alright, so let's get some eggs. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty good. Well guys, this is going in my tummy. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And peace out.